We're on the plains today, ladies and gentlemen, in the Springwood subdivision, Auburn, Alabama. And our job today is to come around. We did an assessment of sunlight on the property. Over the years, these magnificent water oak trees have continued to grow and thrive, thus restricting our sunlight and increasing the leaves on the property. So we're going to be thinning out trees and limbing them back so we can get some sunlight for this resident's turf. Tree trimming at its finest. Sometimes it's necessary to remove trees in their entirety. Here we are taking out one of the native oaks that was crowded in the middle of that section to open up the canopy. Be sure to think in advance of how the job site's going to look in a few years as you're installing that turf. Get as much sunlight as possible for a beautiful lawn.